Kabayan, this is Tina of Exesia Property. So for today, I will be showing you this single detached house na may swimming pool at located just along Aguinaldo Highway here at Anabu, Imus, Cavite. And also update lang, last time, nung ito ay kinoconstruct pa, ay may nakatayo ditong poste ng Meralco. But na-request na yan, kabayan. So, I will be uploading this to sa aking YouTube channel. Kaya naman ina-update ko kayo na wala na po ang poste dito. So, lot area of this property is 330 square meters. Ang kanyang total developed area is 407 square meters. So, this is facing west and estimated 20 meters frontage yan. So, pumasok tayo dito sa pedestrian gate. By the way, ilalagay ko sa comment section ang aking YouTube channel. So, pwede nyong makita ang more detailed na video ng property na ito. So, you have here two sets of gate. Pedestrian gate and ang gate para sa ating carport area. So, elevated ang property na ito, kabayan, kasi meron kang single steps dyan. And siya ay naka-tiles, ang flooring, pero non-skid naman ito, so hindi ka madudulas. Unahin na muna natin ito ang swimming pool sa aking right side. So here, ang swimming pool area. Single detached, again, single detached. Diyan sa right side, meron ka dyang setback na around 2 meters. And doon sa may left, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya na may setback din yan na around 2 meters. So, balcony, accessible sa master's bedroom. This is a modern house, kabayan, and the palettes used are neutral. So, meron ka dyang touch of dark gray. And ang iyong base is white sa iyong mga exterior walls. So, this is the rear part of the property. And this one is the pump room. On this side is the shower area. And by the way, merong fountain ang inyong swimming pool. Ito naman ang lanai area. So, tignan nyo kung gaano siya kalaki. Pebbled ang kanyang flooring. So, pag meron kayong mga gatherings, pwede kayo maglagay dito ng mahabang table or coffee table. Ayan. So, tara dito muna tayo sa likuran bago tayo pumasok sa main entrance door. So, this is the service area, kabayan. Meron kang service counter. Dito mo ilalagay ang iyong washing machine and ang iyong dryer. So, meron na rin yung faucet at may mga saksakan naman dyan. Flooring ay naka-tiles na and 700 liters capacity na water tank included yan. So, this is the left side of the property. Naka-pebbled ang flooring, meron kang side garden. So, we're done na sa swimming pool area. Meron ka ditong pocket garden. Punta muna tayo dito sa vehicular carport. Pebbled ang flooring dito sa carport. So, meron ang nakiparada na sasakyan. So, sa engineer yan. And, ang iyong helper's room or driver's quarter, nandito yan, accessible sa carport area. So, kasya hanggang double size bed and meron kang hanging cabinet dito. Meron din itong sariling toilet and bath. Complete fixtures upon turnover. Tara, kabayan, at pumasok na tayo dito sa loob. This is the porch area na covered and as you can see, high ceiling na siya even dito sa labas pa lang ng property. You have solid wood door here. Nakakipad lock siya. So ito ang iyong living area. 60 by 60 ang tiles na ginamit. Then heading here, ito ang iyong dining area. Now, yung nakita nyo kanina, ito yon. This is the lanai area. And moving on here sa ating kitchen area, pakita ko muna na ito ang iyong powder room sa ground level. Complete fixtures din yan. And dito sa ating kitchen area, meron siyang kitchen island. So, lahat na nakikita nyo dito, kabayan, kasama ito upon turnover of the unit. Itong gas range na ito is kasama din. Now, ang iyong kitchen countertop is made up of a granite tiles. Ang iyong sink, double bowl na yan. Quartz stone ang ginamit dyan. You also have here a sliding window na may screen window din yan. Now, this part is the service door that will lead you. Dun kanina tayo galing sa service area. So more of kitchen Countertops here. Yan, kung marami kang gamit, okay na okay sa iyo to kasi may kasama din yung mga fitted cabinets and meron ka ditong pantry sa side nito. Now, here is the bedroom 2 dito sa ground level. Kasya hanggang single to double size bed and malaki ang kanyang hanging cabinet. There you go. And ito ay may provision din for window type aircon. So, ayan. And also, meron itong sariling toilet and bath na complete fixture. So, from floor to ceiling ang tiles dyan. Kabayan, if you are still watching right now, comment nyo naman sa comment section kung saang nakarating location ang video ko na ito. So, tara, at umakyat na tayo sa taas. Our thread here is made up of a pitong. Ito ang ating hand railings. Solid wood yan. Base is tubular steel, then ang iyong balustrade ay made up of glass. Very spacious ang iyong stairways kahit magsabay pa kayong umakyat, carry lang. You have fixed window there para syempre maganda pa rin ang pasok ng natural light. Now, let's head up here sa second level of the property. Meron itong 4 bedrooms. So, in total, you have 6 bedrooms. 2 sa baba, then 4 sa taas. So, dito muna tayo sa left side ko. Now, for the 2 bedrooms, ito yung bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Meron itong common toilet and bath. Dito muna tayo sa bedroom 1. Flooring na ginamit dito, kabayan, is PVC. So, itong kanyang window fixed dito sa baba. Then, malaki siyang sliding window na may screen na yan. Awning window sa side na to. Then, 3-door built-in cabinet. Ayan. Napakalaki, very spacious. So, kasya dito hanggang queen size bed. This is, bakit kumatok? This is the vanity area. So, let's head up here. This is the common toilet and bath. Complete fixtures din yan. Now, ito naman ang bedroom number 2. Kasya din hanggang queen size bed. Then, same with the bedroom 1 ang kanyang cabinet. Ayan. There you go. Also here on the side, meron din siyang awning window. Vanity area over here. And now, punta na tayo sa master's bedroom. Oh, by the way, bedroom number 3 pa pala. So this is the bedroom number 3. Now for the bedroom number 3, kabayan, kasya naman dito hanggang double size bed. But the good thing is, meron na din itong built-in cabinet. And meron din siyang vanity area, sliding window, provision for window type aircon. And meron itong sariling toilet and bath. Complete fixtures with shower enclosure. So excited na nga ako sa inyong ipakita ang master's bedroom. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kalaki ang master's. Yes, it is really spacious. Cornered fixed window sa side na to. Then dito mo syempre ilalagay yung iyong headboard dahil dito nakalagay, naka-install ang iyong accent na panel. Here, meron kang walk-in closet. So for the walk-in closet, you have a 4-door dito and 2-door naman dito. And nanditong side ang vanity area. Meron itong sariling toilet and bath. Now, this time, meron siyang jacuzzi na kasama. Complete fixtures with shower enclosure, of course. Now, the balcony is accessible here at the master's bedroom. So, naka-tiles na din ang ating balcony. Then, non-skid yan. And ang iyong railings dito ay naka-glass na. So, itong view mo sa pool. Kabayan, kung nagustuhan mo itong property na ito na located sa The Park Place, Imus, Cavite, message ka na, free viewing lang. This is Tina of Ecosia Properties. Thank you for watching.